A very warm greetings to everyone. This is Suhasini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, RMDEC Engineering College. In this lecture, we'll discuss about the subject Software Development Practices. And the topic which is going to be discussed in this lecture is obtaining user input. So obtaining user input is nothing but when the output is produced with the help of the user's input, and that is called obtaining user input. So here we are going to get some output only if you are getting the information, I mean the input from the user. Like how it works here is with the help of two functions, one is prompt function and one is confirm function. Prompt function, confirm function, how it will get appear. We have seen in many applications, like when we log in into some Gmail or in some login portal, everything, during that time when we are entering a username and password, we'll get some alert box like you want to save the password or cancel. Likewise, an alert box will be displayed once the function is getting executed, and it will ask some input from us. Only if we perform some action to that particular dialog box, then we'll get the output. So how it is going to happen, we'll discuss. So here we have the prompt function. So this is an example, right? So as I said, the prompt method displays a dialog box that prompts the user for input. So similarly, here how it will be, like you will be having some variable, and for that particular variable a prompt message, okay, a dialog box should ask a question, what is your name? So the user will give some input and he will give okay. When you press OK, the particular input, I mean the name, if what is a name, if I am going to give my name as Suhasini, and that will get printed in my particular page. So likewise, what is your favorite color? So I can give as a blue, and I'll press OK. So this is how. So in prompt message, we are going to get some data, right? Your name, you are going to type your favorite number. Sorry, it's not color, it's a number. So it is 1 or 2 or 3, whatever the number you are going to give, and that is going to be displayed. So this is how your prompt will work. And coming to the confirm function, how this confirm function will work is it will just convey some message to, yes, you are successfully completed the test. That will appear some dialog box on top of the page, right? So your page has been successfully submitted, your test has been successfully submitted. Likewise, we are going to get some dialog boxes where we'll not give some input, but you'll get some message from using that confirm method, right? So once we get that message, to disappear that message, we'll press OK, right? So this is how this window.confirm will work. So a confirm box is often used if you want the user to verify or accept something. Next is a confirm box takes the focus away from the current window and focus the user to read the message. Yes, right? So once we submit your test or submit the form, the pop-up message will come in front of you, which will redirect you, okay, which will focus you. It will be in the same page, but your focus can be changed to read that particular dialog box. So do not overuse this method. It prevents the user from accessing other part of the page until the box is closed. Yes, until and unless if in some case if you are not going to watch that, until you press some OK in the dialog box, you will not be redirected to some other page, or you cannot perform any action to the particular page. So it is like you want to read that message. So that is called a confirm function. So we'll see the program. So here we have HTML body, and inside H1 the window object prompt method. Click the button to demonstrate the prompt box. Likewise, it is going to happen, right? So a button I'm going to create a button. On clicking the button, my function, this is a function. So this function has to be performed. Where is that function? This is the function, my function. So let is nothing but the variable declaration, okay? So you are going to declare a variable person is equal to prompt. So the prompt message is enter your name. By default, it will be Harry Potter. If suppose you can also edit this Harry Potter also. If the person is not equal to null, then okay, if it is not equal to null, then what you will do is this allow this person content, whatever the name you are going to get. Initially it is Harry Potter, right? This Harry Potter will get printed here. Hello Harry Potter, how are you today? Likewise, the text will be printed. Okay, this is how this program will work. So I will call this, when I click a button, the text written inside the button is try it. So when I give try it, this function gets executed and I'll get the messages, please enter your name. Okay, so I'm going to enter a name. By default it is be Harry Potter. You can edit that. So once I give, or if you're not giving anything, the message you will get is, hello Harry Potter, how are you today? If I'm editing this Harry Potter and giving a Suhasini, hello Suhasini, how are you today? This the message will be displayed in your page. Okay, this is the prompt method. So when I coming to the confirm method, as I said, you will be using as window.confirm. What message has to be displayed, that will be given inside this double quotes. Okay, so now I have a program. So the window object, these contents will get printed. So on button on click my function. So what is the my function here I have written? So my function is, so initially I am giving my some text. So if confirm, press a button. So if I am going to press a button, you pressed OK, this message will get printed. Else you cancelled. This is how you will be printing the message. Some content, if you are going to press the OK button, then you will get you pressed OK. Some content will be displayed to you. If not, you cancelled. Likewise, you will get the message alone. No input you are going to get. Either you press or not. Okay, that is how the keyword here is confirm, within brace press a button. Okay, so it is indicating one dialog box will appear and it will indicate press a button. If you have two option. One is you pressed OK and other one is cancel. If you pressed OK, you will get messages you pressed OK. If you click cancel, you will get a message you cancel. Somehow you will get some text will be printed. Either it will be user you pressed OK or you cancelled OK. So this is how I am going to get. So some content will be given to the text, right? Either if it is if condition true, then you will get this text, else you will get this text. So some text will get printed here. This is how this confirm method will work. Thank you.